Just type yes in the chat box if you're able to listen my voice. Okay. Yesterday, we have started the concept of runners, that is a Spring Boot first concept. Today, we are going to see the continuation. Observe carefully here. Okay. While writing the code, the most important thing here is base package for component scanning. Okay. Generally, if you are working with the Spring programming, we need to provide the base package that is also called as a starter class package. Okay, so that base package, based on this one only, all other classes or files are detected by Spring Container. Okay, Spring Container will not detect the classes from outside of this base package, even though you write all the rules. Okay, you wrote a correct class, you wrote a component, you wrote a value. Okay, it is never going to work if you write outside this base package. Okay, understand this, very important. So Spring Container will search or find or detect, whatever you call here, classes from base package only. Even if we follow all rules and wrote classes outside of this base package, then those class objects, those classes are not detected by Spring Container. So finally, no object is created. So that is very important here. Okay, what is the meaning of base package here? It's a package name. Base package means it's a one package name, one common package name for all classes. Okay, for all classes. Container will search in the given package name and its sub package also. Remember here, what Spring Container will do? Spring Container will search. Okay, search in given package name, given package, and its sub package also. Its sub package also. Container will search for classes in given package and its sub package also here, not on the current package here. Okay, by default, your starter class package behaves like a base package. Okay, if we did not mention here, remember. Okay, starter class package will be there here. Starter class package behaves as base package. Okay, first we'll understand some points about base package. Then we'll see how implicitly provided by Spring, that is actually Spring Boot, by boot here, by Spring Boot. Spring Boot says you need not to give base package. In case of Spring Boot, your starter class, main class package only behaves as a base package. Okay, for understanding base package, observe carefully. I'm just giving a small diagram here. Okay, just I'm taking some package names here. It's a COM. This is one package name. It's an app. This is just one test. XYZ. 2 FND. MNO. PQR. Consider these are all different packages. This is one package. Okay, this is a symbol of package I'm just taking here. Observe. These are all different packages we have. All are packages only. Okay, all are packages only. These packages also having classes A, just I'm taking B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K. Like this, I'm just taking here. These are all classes only. It's a symbol of class I'm just taking here. Like slight UML notation here. It's a class symbol. Just assumption here, it's a class. A is a class. So these are all classes. Like this we have. Okay. First of all, these are sub packages. You can see. Okay. Now, if you look at here, these are the classes connected to these packages. These are the different classes connected to these packages here. These are packages and classes. The first symbol indicates actually package. This symbol indicates actually class. Now look at here. I am just going to explain the concept of base package first of all. What is the meaning of base package? It's a package name. It's a package name. Base package means it's a one common package name for all classes. Okay, what are the classes that you want to tell to Spring Container? Hey container, please search my classes. Okay, please find my classes or please detect my class. I have to tell. First, a container should be able to detect. If it is detected successfully, then only object creation done. Else, no object is created. Okay. First, I am just giving. Consider my base package name. Just I'm giving as a base package is equals to com.app. Consider like this. Com.app is a base package. That means first go to com. Okay, yes, it is there. Then inside that go to app. So this is our base package. Make sure that clearly here. So what is our base package here is it's an app. This is our base package here. App is a base package. Okay, we inside the com. Okay, don't take com. Okay, from start from app. What is the package? Last level package you have. Start from there here. Okay, app is having what? B, D, E, and H. Current package and sub packages also. Sub packages also. Not outside upper here, only lower. Okay, and not even outside here. Only current package and sub package. So what are the detected classes here is B, D, H, and E are detected here. That is the meaning here. So container is detecting the classes first of all. They detected the classes. What are they? It's actually B and D, H, and E. And if these are having @ component, then object is created. Okay. So here there is a point of base package here. Observe carefully. Now I'm just giving one small example. You just give reply if you really understood here. Okay. I'll give one base package name. You just tell me what are the classes detected by Spring Container. What are the classes detected by Spring Container if I give base package name? I'm just giving a base package here is equals to com.1. Can you tell me what are the classes detected by container? Spring Container selecting what classes now? Is it selecting all classes or few classes? What are they? You can give answer in the chart here. Okay, first of all, go to package name called 1. Start from there only. Go to package name called 1 and start from there only. And its sub packages also. So 4 are detected here: C, F, G, and K. These 4 are detected here. These 4 are detected here. Okay. Answer is C, F, G, and K for this base package here. Now, what about A? No, A is not detected. What about B? B also not detected. Okay. That is called base package here. Okay. Given package, remember the last package and its sub package also. Sub package also. Now I'm just giving one more base package, E and H. Two answers will come. These are the two things are going to be detected. Okay, that's the answer here. It's a base package here. Okay, now again, why base package? Spring container will detect the class. What are detected only for those objects are created. If @ component is there, okay, what are detected only those objects are created. Outside objects are not created. Okay, now I'm just giving one small point here. Okay, here only I'm just giving some questions and answers. This is for your reference only. Base package is equals to com.app. Okay, classes selected by container here is com.app means B, D, E, and H. Base package com. Answer is all. Base package com.1.2. Okay, answer is F and K. Base package is equals to com.app.xyz, then E and H. Like this, I just gave few answers for your understanding. This one. Okay. Now let us come to our programming here. Now, if you guess, that is actually important thing here. Okay, you should able to understand here. Now I'm writing the programming point here. Concentrate. Okay. Now, yesterday runner class only, I'm just continuing here. Spring Boot to CLR EX 3. Just I'm writing here, next button, and finish button. Now there, if you look at here, now observe carefully, look at the concept name base package. Container will select the classes from this package only. In Spring Boot, we did not give any base package, just I created the project. Now look at the main class, main method class. This is a class, it's a main method. Look at the package starting. Go to main method class, and look at the package name. This package behaves as a base package now. Now the current base package is in.nareshit.raghu. Can we change? Yes, answer is yes, we can change, but mostly not recommended. Can we give multiple base packages? Answer is yes. Okay, I'll show those later. First, I'm just giving implicit. Okay, that means what Spring Boot is giving. Okay, that means you can write your classes inside in.nareshit.raghu or raghu dot some sub package also fine. This one should be there in every class. Every class should come under same package or its sub package. Okay, by default, starter class package behaves as base package given by Spring Boot by default. Yes, we can change also. I'll show that. Now I am writing the program here. Now look at the class. I am writing here's a message. Message runner, add command line runner, finish. There I'm writing some code. Sys out, just I'm writing it's a sample output. Like this I wrote here. Now look at the two classes package names here. Now look at the two class package names here. Observe carefully. This is starter class package name, main class package name. This is my extra class I wrote here. And this package name, yes, comes under same package. Yes, matching. Okay, if you run this program here, okay, go to main class and run this program. Spring Boot application. Okay, sorry, I forgot to write @component. That is also important one here. It's selected, but object not created. @component, create the object. Run Spring Boot application. See, we got sample output. Now I'm changing the package name in.nareshit.raghu.runner. Like this I'm writing. Keep mouse over here and change the package, rename. Now still it is matching. This is a package. This is a sub package. Okay, it's a sub package of this one. It's a valid still. Okay, starting common package name should be matching. Very simple. Okay, main class package name. If you go here, that should be matching. Later extra anything is fine. It's something like com.app. It's a com.app.xyz. Yes, still it is also matching here. You'll get the output. Okay, run this program here. Spring Boot application. You'll see the output here, sample. Okay, now I'm changing here. Observe carefully. in.nareshit.runner I'm changing here. Okay, can you guess it now? Is it matching or not matching here? Okay, observe here. It's a main class package. It's a main class package and see. Okay, it's a main class package and you can see here it's a matching or not matching here. Okay, very simple point. Everything should be same or a same plus extra. Simple technique if you want to remember here. Answer is actually it should be starting must be same. Okay, but if you look at here, in.nareshit is matching, but Raghu is not matching. Okay, answer is not matching. Even though you write @component and all, this is not get executed because object not created. Let us see. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. Okay, see there is no output. Okay, I hope you got the point here. Now I'm just changing to one more package name, com.app.test.1. Yes, completely not matched. It's a completely not matched. I'm just running this application. Okay, Spring Boot application here. See, it's a completely not matched, 0. Okay, now I have to tell, please don't take this package name as a base package. Please take this as package name only as a base package. com.app only please take as a base package. Of course, test and one also selected if you write here. Now, how to provide explicitly? Okay, no error, no exception. This class is not detected. Okay, class is not found. How can we throw error? If class executed, some logic is mistake, error will come. Class is not found. No error, no exception. Okay, so here if something code executed, then error or exception will come. If code is not detected, then how error will come? Okay, so com.app I'm just giving here. Now explicitly providing base package is not recommended in real time, but possible. Okay, how to write? Look at the main class. @component scan. Okay, component means a class having component. Scan it, find it. Okay, how to find? Using the package name com.app. See, this is not recommended approach, but you can write this. Generally we used to write in Spring. In Spring we used to provide in Spring Boot starter class package name only taken. Now I'm running this program here, Spring Boot application. See, now we got the output. If you want to give multiple, also write braces open, braces close, comma. I'm just writing here in.nareshit even. Like this you can write it. Then in.nareshit, in.nareshit.raghu, in.nareshit.xyz, everything will come like this. We can just provide multiple package names, but it is not recommended. Again, I'm saying in Spring Boot in real time, no one will write explicitly like this, but it is 100% correct. Okay. So by default, starter class package name only. Components can brace open, brace close, parenthesis open, parenthesis close, package name 1 comma, package name 2 comma, package name 3 comma. If it is there, it will select the class. If it is not there, nothing will come. Okay, app.test like this. You can just give multiple package names. If the package is there and class is there, it will select. If nothing is there, over. That's it. Okay, let me just create one more also here. Observe carefully. Okay, if you provide explicitly, your default is never going to work. Remember this point. If you provide explicitly, your default will not work. It's overridden. Okay, for example, something like here, int I is equals to something like 9. You changed I is equals to 10. 9, now 9 gone. 9 gone. What is the value of I is 10. Okay, here also same. Okay, so if you provide component scan explicitly, this is never going to work. Okay, your rule, okay, this is never going to work. Default concept will never work if you provide explicitly. Okay, if you want, I'll give one small proof also here. Concentrate, just to concentrate here. Okay, now I am writing this package name. Okay, I think you are able to see they are matching. They are matching. Observe carefully. They are matching. Okay, now running the program here. Okay, output came. Are you able to see everyone? They are matching. Output also came. Now I'm writing component scan. There I'm writing here app.1. Now app.1. Still this message is matching. But now it is never going to check. Okay, don't check these two. Compare here because I have provided explicitly. Okay, they are actually not matching. Not matching. Okay, now output will not come. Right click, run as Spring Boot application. See, there is no output came. Okay, let me just again comment this. Again comment this. Again I'm running here. Again this time it is going to check here. This time it is going to check here. Now matching, run as Spring Boot application. Okay, but this is not a recommended standard. In real time you will never see like this. Okay, who is providing component scanning? I am not writing, right? Then who is providing? Spring Boot. Yeah, Spring Boot only. Who is that? Okay, if you look at line number 6, Spring Boot application, control plus click, there you see component scanning. Some exclude filters will come. This we discussed later actually. Look at the line number 57. Okay, control button and click button. If you just want to see inside code, control button and click, there you see component scanning. Okay, so here like this we have. Now I'm just giving some points and programs. Understand here. By default, starter class package behaves like a base package. Just I'm giving one example. Just I'm giving starter class package. Yeah, Sarup, yes, possible. I mentioned multiple, right? In that you can write multiple also. Okay, those only I'm just giving one by one examples. Concentrate and give answer here. Okay, that question also I'll include here. Observe carefully. Starter class package. Okay, in dot naresh it dot raghu. Okay, I just gave classes, packages. Okay, selected or not selected. Selected or not. Answer. Class name A. Just dummy. Okay, here I'm just writing package name in dot naresh it. B in dot naresh it dot raghu. C test. D. Tell me these four answers first of all, which are selected and which are not. First one, A. A, selected or not selected by container. First one is actually not. Second one, selected. Third one, very simple. It should be same package or same plus extra package. Third one, no, not. Fourth one, selected. Okay. Now step 2. We can even override default component scanning rule by providing @component scan parenthesis package name or @component scan braces package name 1 sub package 2 package 3 and so on close brace and close parenthesis. Like this we can write. Need to write starter class. Need to write starter class. Okay, remember. Then starter class package is no longer considered by Spring Boot. When you explicitly provide, okay, this actually not selected here now. Now I'm just giving some classes here, understand and give reply here. Now I wrote component scan like this. Component scan, I just wrote com.app. Now this time classes, packages and selected or not selected. Package name is com.app. Package name is com.app.test. Okay, app.com.1 in.narration.raghu. Now tell me what are selected. A, B, C, D are there. Okay, A selected. B selected. C not. And D. D answer you should only give. Look at the starter class package, but I wrote @component scan explicitly. Answer is selected. No, not selected. Why? Whatever you gave, that is only considered. If you give explicitly, then starter class package no longer considered. That is only point I just gave here. Okay, when we give explicitly, @component scan if we give, then it's no longer considered. Okay, now I'm just writing same. Example 3, I'm just writing here. @component scan open brace com.app, comma in dot nareshit.raghu. You can give any package, even same package also. Okay, now I'm just giving here even app.com. Now answer. Answer. Okay, very simple. Take this package and compare is it matching or not. First one, selected, 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 selected. Okay, I hope you understood this point here. Very simple. Whether the given package is matching or not. App.com matching. Sub package also fine. Okay. So here, this is the answer here. Like this. This is a base package. Okay. So in real time, no one will modify mostly. Okay. Did anyone face the problem even though you wrote program output not came? Yesterday or day for yesterday, I wrote program but output not came, sir. Everything is correct. Okay. You might be facing this problem. Okay. For example, see, I wrote a perfect code here, message runner. Something here I'm writing here, com.app.test or something. I wrote a package name. Okay, some people might have faced at least one or two here. I am running the application. I am running the application, but output is not coming. Runner output is not coming. Everything is correct. What is the mistake here is package name. Package name is mistake. Okay, so here that's a problem. Now look at carefully. Now the final question is, who will provide @component scan in Spring Boot? Answer. Spring Boot application. Annotation provides component scanning by default with starter class or main class package name. Okay, that's a point here. Now observe carefully. Finally, I'll give one small example. Okay, you can just identify easily what are executed and what are not. Okay, you can just easily guess here. I'm writing finally one program here. Observe carefully. in.nareshit.raghu is a package. I'm not going to change this. Okay, there I'm writing multiple runners. Message A runner. This is com.app.test. It's a message B runner. Sample B. Just I'm writing here. Sample B is output. It's a sample A. I'm just writing multiple. Once I'll finish, then I'll show here even other. Okay, let me just finish all this coding here. It's a message C runner, sample C dot runner. Okay, now C also created here. Message D runner. Sample D. Now, to make it easy, I'm just giving this package name. Look at the starter class package name. Classes. message A runner, package name, message B runner, message C runner, package name, message D runner. Now tell me, what are got executed here? Just give A, B, C, D is there, right? Just give the names, short names you just give. First one, no, very simple. Second one, yes. Third one, same package and sub package, yes. And fourth one, you should only give answer. Fourth one is selected or not selected. Okay, no. No is the answer here. You gave. Okay, let us run this. Are we going to see B and C output or not? Are we just going to see B and C output or not? Go to main class and run this application. Run as a Spring Boot application. We got sample B and sample C. Very good. Now my target is all runners I want. My target is all runners I want. I want all. Then I'm writing here @component scan. @component scan. Look at the common package name for all here. These three. First, look at these three common package names. Okay, look at common package names here. in.naresh it. I hope you understood this point here. Common package for these three. Okay, it's in.naresh it. Is a one. Okay, so now if I write this component scan here, three are going to come now. Okay, B, C, and D. Three will come here. B, C, and D. Okay, let us just text up to this one here. Right click, run as a Spring Boot application. Okay, B, C, and D. Of course, leave the order. Okay, B, C, and D here. You got this. Okay, now let me just continue here. Observe this time what I want to tell, even A also I want. Okay, look at some com.app or com.app.test. You can just take full and off also here. Anything full or off, anything you can just take it here. Okay, braces are mandatory here this time. Symbol braces you need to mention clearly. Okay, first one I'm just commenting here. Now run this application this time. ABCD will see all. Of course, slightly order changes. That's okay. It's not an issue here, but you just observe. Okay, I think you got the point here. Like this. Okay, explicitly providing here. Just I'm giving here. If you want to execute all above runners, then provide below line @starter class. Now I'm just giving complete code here. It's a starter class code. Yeah, Rohit, I'll come to multi-runners concept. Still, I did not touch. I'll show how to provide our own order in case of multiple runners. I'll show that is the next one. Now you can try the same code here like this. Okay, this is a point here that is actually base package concept. Okay, in Spring Core, we need to write like this. Generally, if you're working with Spring programming, we need to provide. But in Spring Boot, need not to provide. In Spring Boot, need not to provide. In Spring, it is mandatory. Okay, this annotation is taken care by starter class itself. Okay, starter class itself. Now I'm just writing a question here. Observe carefully. Okay, let this be application. I'm just creating new application here. Okay, now question is like this. Can we define multiple runners? Can we define multiple runners in one application? What is your answer? Just now I wrote, you can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just now we wrote. Okay. Can we define multiple runners in one application? Okay. Answer is yes. They are executed in Spring Boot selected order, which cannot be predictable. Okay, we cannot guess what is the execution order. Okay, so but if it is in the same package, we can just say it's a naming convention, but that is also no guarantee if we change the different package names. Okay, based on the selected order or loaded order, we can say here. Okay, we can't give guarantee that what exactly order. Sometimes it looks like alphabetical order, but package names changes, then it is going to be different. Okay, so here, can we define our own order? Yes. Okay, can we define our own order of execution for runners? Answer is yes. Okay, using @ordered annotation. @order annotation here. I'm just showing here. Observe carefully. Now I'm just writing here. Observe carefully. CLR multiple EX. Just I'm writing next button, and finish button. Observe carefully. I have just created one application here. Of course, you see real-time multiple runners, very rare scenario. Okay, as an interview question, I'm just explaining here. You also just learn like same. Okay, just I'm giving all in same package only here. Okay, my just I'm writing in the same way. Message A runner, message runner A. Add. It's a command line runner. @component mandatory. Sysout A. Just I'm writing from A. I'm just writing. It's a B. Next, I'm writing one more C. Like this, I'm just writing here. Okay. So here I wrote message A runner and message B runner and message C runner. Just I'm changing like this. Okay, running the application. This is only package loaded, single package there, right? You will see almost an order here. like ABC. Okay, if the package name changes, then loading based on the order selected that will be executed. Okay, so how they are loaded, in the same way the objects are created, in the same way they are executed. Okay, remember, order cannot be predictable. We can't give guarantee that what order it is executing. Now I want to change my order. Okay, use one annotation at the rate order. Okay, there I'm writing 85. Your wish, any number, positive or negative integer number. There I'm just writing B. I'm just writing 20. Look at here, I'm writing C. I'm writing 105. Now you can just guess this order here, in what order they got executed. First A 85, A is 85, B is 20, B is 20, and C is 105. C is 105. Okay, numbers order, if we take it here, 1 2 3 4 number order here, 0 1 2 3 4. First number will be 20. Next number in the order will be 85. Next number in the order is 105. So answer is B, then A, then C. Like that they get executed. Let me run this program here and see. I hope you understood here. Okay, for example, for B you did not give order. If you did not give order, very simple answer, last. Okay, so last it is going to come here. If we did not give any order, it is going to be executed again last. Again start with again A 85, C no order you gave, that is the last. Run this application here. First A, then C, and then B, because no order. No order actually taken as a highest order value, that's taken here. Lowest value with the highest priority. Lowest value, highest priority. Okay. Now I'm just giving one more number. This time you can just guess. Okay. So here I'm just giving one number here, minus 105. I'm just giving here negative number. I'm just giving here is a minus 105. Okay. Minus 20. Okay. Minus 85. Can you just tell me which number will come first? Okay. Minus 20, minus 105, minus 80. Which is the lowest number here? A is 85. 85, sorry. B is 20. It's a C. Now tell me which get executed first. Order, negative numbers order. Very simple. Biggest one take as the smallest. B will come first. No, not B. Negative numbers means reverse, sir. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 5, minus 7. In the negative numbers, biggest number will behave as the smallest number. This is a number scale. Okay, so C, A, and B will come. If you just run this application here, it's a C, A, and B. You got the point, everyone? Yes, we can give negative numbers also here. Okay, if we give negative number, lowest number is first priority. Okay, in the negative number, big number considered as a small. If you don't give order, it is a last. Remember here. Just I'm giving example code. Okay, if you don't give order or if you don't give same order, they are executed on name based priority, looks like, but loaded order. For example, B you gave 20. Okay, C also you gave 20. Looks like B gets executed first and C next. Okay, name priority will come, but we can't guess always similar. Okay, they are executed in a order which they are loaded first. Okay, it looks like B first and C next. No, no guarantee. If you change the package names, that is going to be which is loaded first, that is executed first. Okay, looks like some naming rule, but no guarantee. Package name changes, again this rule is going to be changed. Okay, so here which is loaded first, that is loaded, that is executed first if they are having same order or if they are having no order. Okay, remember that one. Here I'm just giving example code. It's a minus 85, minus 20 or 20. It's a 105. Okay, you only find out the execution order. If two runners are having same order, then execution order depends on their loading into container. It may look like name based order, but not exactly here. Okay, based on loading order only. In simple, unpredictable in your answer, actually here unpredictable. A runner with gets executed last, last executed here. Okay, that's a point here. Okay, I just gave here. Still we have to see application runner also. As of now, still we are working with command line runners. I'll come to application runner. Okay, now observe carefully. Now I'm just starting the concept of working with properties file. Observe here. Along with runners concept here, working with properties file. This is most important concept in Spring or Spring Boot. Okay. So here, generally, properties means storing the data in the form of key and value. In real time, what kind of properties we store? Okay, static data only generally we give, which is never going to be changed again and again. Okay, so here if we just take, for example, JDC properties, okay, JPA properties, email properties, server properties, security properties, like we have so many. Here in coming to Spring Boot, there are n number of predefined properties also there. I'll show them one by one even. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, look at this one. First, understand the meaning here. What is the meaning of properties? Properties means, okay, storing data in key is equals to value format. Okay, properties means storing the data in key is equals to value format here. Okay, remember here key is equals to value format. Keys are case sensitive. Case sensitive. Okay, that means EID is different and EID are different. It's a different one. Remember here. Okay, so here these are case sensitive. EID, capital EID, small EID, they are actually different here. Okay, if same key is provided multiple times with a different value, of course no one will write actually here. If you write different value, then last combination is taken into container, taken into code. Okay, so properties means storing the data in the key and value. Something like driver is equals to Oracle. Example I'm just writing here. Okay, URL is equals to JDBC colon Oracle. Like this will be having. Keys are case sensitive. If you write driver is equals to Oracle, okay, and driver is equals to Oracle, both are different. Remember here. And if you write same key multiple times, okay, driver is equals to Oracle and driver is equals to MySQL. If you write here, okay, driver is equals to H2. If you write here, okay, finally selected is driver is equals to H2. Remember, keys are case sensitive. Okay, if you write same key multiple times, it's not good programming. But if you write by mistake, okay, however, Spring Boot will show small error type message. Okay, there are duplicate keys, but still, if you try to run here, you'll get the last combination. You'll get the last combination here, something like your variable name. I is equals to 10, I is equals to 11, and I is equals to 12. Last combination is taken into program. Okay, like this actually here. Now, how to read them? Okay, here, this is loaded first of all into Spring container as a memory. Later you can read here. Okay, now observe carefully. This is properties file. Okay, name I'm just taking application.properties. We can change also, but Spring Boot is giving default like this. Okay, first understand the concept, leave that name, key is equals to value. When you write symbol hash, which indicates comment line, symbol hash indicates comment line, key is equals to value, some key is equals to value, like so on, dot, dot, dot. Okay, now here, this is Spring container. Spring container will be having a memory that holds all the key and value pairs. Because in that case, I'll show multi-DB means slightly the driver class 1, driver class 2, we have to write 1 and 2, A and B, we have to write. That scenario I'll show later. Okay, there is a concept of multi-database. Okay, if you want application now itself, make a reminder at the end. I'll give one video link also. I have taken for old batches. Okay, so, or else at that concept, I'll explain again. Okay, driver class A, driver class B, we have to write in that case. And we have to write slight code difference. I'll show that later. Okay, now this is Spring container. Okay, Spring container creates a memory called environment. Okay, you might have seen in Spring core. Okay, that is Spring batch. If you have done, you might have seen. If you don't know, please concentrate. Spring container will create a memory called environment. This environment will load the data, will store the data in the form of key and value, which are given from properties files. any number of properties file, not only one. You can write even multiple properties file. Okay, so as of now, I'm just taking one. Their data will be loaded into this memory. Okay, let me take as of now one. I'll show with multiple also. Okay, this memory is created by Spring container only, and this is loaded. Now the question is, what is the annotation we have to write? There we need to mention @ property source, and what is the file name? File name is something like application.properties or anything. Just as of now, dummy. Like this, we need to write application.properties @ property source. Okay, this annotation is going to load the properties file into Spring container. Okay, this is actually called loading. Okay, like this @ property source. Remember this point. This one we have to write in Spring. In Spring Boot, this annotation is not required. By default, this code is given by this starter class only. This starter class only. Okay, so here observe carefully. I'll give one sample code here how it is going to be. Okay, observe carefully here. First, understand the concept of this environment, this annotation, and this concept here. Spring concept I'm explaining here. In general, Spring framework, not Spring Boot, Spring framework uses @ property source, @ property source annotation to load one properties file, dot properties file into Spring container. Create is called as environment. Okay, they gave name like environment. Okay, meaning here is key value store. Okay, don't think environment means JDBC environment. Okay, some like application environment here. What are all the key value required for our application? That's something like environment variable, like that also you can just call, but that is different. Okay, so Paninder, environment variables are somewhat different, but here environment is different. Okay, general meaning of environment here is, in Spring environment meaning is something like key value pairs. Okay, what are required for Spring application here? Okay, so here, okay, so coming to Spring Boot, by default, application.properties file is loaded into Spring container with internal code like, okay, @ property source, what is the file name? Application.properties. Okay, what is the location of this file? This file is available in src main resources folder. You can see here, look at the folder name. Okay, if you look at src main resource, generally this only folder name recommended in Maven, okay, or Gradle. src main resources, their file name is provided. Okay, generally people will not call src main resource. Actually, this location is actually called as class path. A standard word is given. Okay, remember, whenever you see a word called class path, class path means SRC main resources. Okay, by default, Spring Boot says, hey, programmer, you don't worry, I'll load this. I'll take care of this one. Loading, I'll take care. Okay, file name must be application.properties. Okay, and annotation, this is you need not to write automatically. You may have some questions, sir. Can we change this file name? Yes, we can change the file name. Okay, can we load multiple files? Yes, we can load multiple files. Can we change the location? Yes, we can change the location. Everything is possible. Okay, all combinations I'll show. Okay, what happens if same key available in multiple properties? Then last loaded one, like this we'll be having. Okay, like how we wrote components can explicitly, this also we can write. I'll show all combinations. Okay, I'm just showing one by one point. Okay, are you clear up to this, everyone here? Are you clear this memory concept? This is a Spring concept. Okay, why I'm showing is just for your knowledge only. Directly I can go to Spring Boot only. It's a Spring framework, not Spring Boot. This is Spring framework, sir. Again, I'm saying it's not Spring Boot. Okay, in Spring framework, if we use this annotation, leave this file name and all. If we use this annotation, this data loaded into Spring container, a memory called environment. Okay, now the point is, okay, Spring Boot says create application, that is create a file name called application.properties, use one annotation called property source, then Spring Boot will load by default. Okay, that will load by default here. That's a point here. Note I'm just giving. Okay, class path means SRC main resource here. Okay, now the point is finally how to read the data. Read key-val data in code. How to read? Okay, one, by using @value annotation. This is also called single value reading. We can also call here. Second one, the most important concept in Spring Boot, @configuration properties. Single key reading. This is actually called here @configuration properties here. Multi keys reading or multiple keys reading here. Okay, observe. Okay, first we are going to work on these two here. Later we again come to creating different file name, writing multiple properties, changing the location. We come to that later. Okay, first these two we are going to work. Later I'll show, yes, how to change the file name, how to change the location, how to write multiple files, same key in multiple files, loading order, like we'll see. First these two, this is very important. Second one very important, but I'll explain first one also. Even though it's a Spring concept, I'll explain here because they are important. I'll be using in our programming also here. Okay, @configuration properties internally used by Spring Boot for auto configuration. Okay, observe. I'm just giving @value one example here. Concentrate here. @value annotation. This annotation is used to read one key data into one variable. If you want to read one key data into one variable, use this one. Syntax you need to follow here. @value parenthesis braces, sorry, quotes dollar braces key. It supports even type conversion. Even type conversion also. Okay, observe carefully. Like this, I'm just writing. Okay, one small application I'm just showing here. Concentrate. File, new, starter project. Okay, just I'm writing Spring Boot properties or props ex1. Next button, and finish button. one application is created here. A simple project is created. You can see the folder structure first of all. It's a props1ex. There we have properties file. Okay. Look at the location src main resource. This is generally called as class path. Okay, that is actually called as class path. Okay, this is by default loaded. You need not to write @property source. Okay, I'll show how it is loaded. That is also same annotation is there, right? This annotation will take care. Spring Boot application will take care here, but slightly it will be different. I'll show this time. Open application.properties here. There you write something. Okay, I am writing title is equals to NIT. Okay, it will show some yellow color underline. Not to worry. It says I don't know. I don't know what is title. Okay, it says it's not a predefined key. It says something title is unknown property. Not an issue. Yellow color and underline indicates warning. Not issue here. Title is equals to NIT. Okay, there I'm writing version is equals to. It's a 3.2. Okay, app ID is equals to, just I'm writing here, it's a 101. App dash ID, title, version, like this I wrote. Okay, I'm just writing here something like a hash. Okay, my project details, just I'm writing like this. Observe carefully. Just dummy I'm just writing. We'll see all the rules even one by one. A dummy application. It shows yellow color underline, not to worry. Okay, it says I don't know what is the property. I don't know. There are predefined keys will be there that we'll write later. Now I'm writing one runner. Okay, my props runner dot runner. Adding a command line runner here and finish. Now there I'm writing one annotation here @component. Now just I'm writing sys out. Just I'm writing done and first run. And look at here, as of now, just done only printed. Okay, now I want to read one by one. I want to just read the data here one by one. Understand first of all, do you want to read the data? Yes. One key you have, you declare one variable here. Okay, if you want to read one key data, if you want to read here, then declare one variable here. One variable. For example, just I'm writing private, just I'm writing int, that is actually ID. Any name you can write. Names need not to be same. Just I'm writing here, it's actually private. Just I'm writing string. Okay, just I'm writing TTL. Okay, just I'm writing private double VER. Like this, I'm just writing. Okay, now on top of this, just I'm writing @value. Okay, parenthesis, double quotes, dollar, open brace and close brace, app dash ID. Okay, this actually second one title. Next one version. Like this, I'm reading here. This data will be loaded into this variable. Now, instead of printing one by one, you can print all. Okay. So this I am writing here. Do you know what is this indicates? What is this indicates? Core Java question. This indicates what? Object reference, sir. It's a current class object reference or object name. Not object, object name. Current class object name. Okay. When you print any reference, internally toString will be called. Internally toString will be called here. So I'm overriding toString here. Go to source, generate toString and generate button. Generate toString and generate button. Okay. Why toString means to see all data. Instead of printing one by one ID, TTL version, printing one by one. Okay. Override toString, everything you will see. Now I'm just running this application. I'm just running this application and look at the output. See, ID is equals to 101, TTL is equals to NIT, VER is equal to 3.2. Still, if you have doubt, I'm just removing a @value, run this application. See, we'll get something like 0.0. I did not give any value here. like this. Okay, toString if you don't override, that's fine. Then print individually. ID dash, okay, TTL dash VER. If you print like this also fine. No setters and getters required now. If you print like this also fine. If you don't want toString here, that is also okay. You can see here. Okay, no sir, I just want to work with the toString. Yes, that is also fine. That's your interest. However you print, that's okay. Printing the data. This and if you just directly run this, only this without toString, you will see something fully qualified class name, symbol, hash code in hexadecimal format. I don't like that. So that's why override toString. This is a core Java point here. Okay, go to source menu and generate toString and just click on. Leave this toString and this method and all here. I just want to mention here @value. The purpose of @value is to read the data from here and store into this local variable. Read the data from here and store into local variable. Run this application. Here @value is important for us. Okay, data is coming here. That is @value example. Just I'm writing here. Create one starter project. Just I'm giving name Spring Boot to props ex1. Step 2. In application.properties, okay, write some keys here like this. Hash indicates comment. Step number 3, runner class code. It's a runner class code. Now, if you run this application, you will see some output here. All the key values are loaded. Okay. Now, just I am writing one duplicate key. It's a 102. It is showing small red color underline. I think you are able to see. It is just saying that, hey, programmer is not a good approach in Spring Boot. Why? I asked. Duplicate. What is duplicate? Property. What property? App ID. You wrote app ID 2 times. It is actually not a good approach. Red color underline it is showing. Okay. Spring Boot never allows writing duplicate like this. No, I want to write it. If you say here, if you say no, I'll write it. Boot what you will do. Boot says no, okay, nothing I'll do. Your wish. Then I'll give last value 102. I'll give. Okay. I am running this application and see the value here this time. Okay. If you just run this application here, look at the value. Okay, Spring Boot recommends never write any duplicate. No, if you write it, then last combination. Okay, this time I'll write a value. You only guess what is the value will come here. Now tell me what is the app ID value will come this time. Let us run and see here. Your answer, I'll check it. Cross verify also we have to do. Okay, it's not a good approach. First thing, it's not a good approach. Spring Boot says never ever write duplicates. Okay, I wrote it. I'm running and look at here. Look at the value. I hope you understood here. Duplicates are not recommended, but if you write, last combination is taken. Let me add here also. With different data, then Ahmad Sheikh, I think you might have written mistake, dollar or something you might have mistake here. Follow this syntax, definitely you will get. If you miss something like a dollar, okay, you're trying to write like this, then you will get some exception here. I'll show those also, number format exception. Okay, that is only next point I'm coming. You might have missed dollar, braces, syntax. If you miss small mistake also, it will show like that. Okay, that is only next point I'll come. Just wait. Okay, what is that? Duplicate keys are not recommended by boot. but allowed. Okay, but allowed. Yes, we can write it. If we define duplicate keys with different data, then last combination is selected. Okay, next point here, observe carefully. I am writing a key which is not present in properties file. Let us just consider. Now I'm running this application. See, successfully output is coming. Okay, I hope you are able to see the output here. Okay, now let us just come to here. App ID is not there. Okay, app ID is not there. See here, only title is there and version is there. Okay, you are trying to read app ID. Okay, then Spring Boot says, hey, I am trying to read app ID which is not present. Okay, now run this program here and see, it will throw an exception. Illegal argument exception. Why illegal? I am trying to read app ID. Yes, but app ID is not there here. No, it's not there because it's commented hash. Okay, it's commented, it's not there. Illegal argument exception could not resolve placeholder. What is a placeholder? Means key. Placeholder means key. App ID in the value like this. You wrote like this. We are unable to find this. Illegal argument exception is going to come. Okay, if the given key is not present, if given key in @ value is not present in properties file, then Spring Boot throws illegal argument exception could not resolve placeholder like this. Next, invalid data if we give, for example, app ID 101. 101 can be stored in int. Yes, that works fine. Run this application. Okay, 101. I am trying to give, instead of 101, I am just giving ABCDEF. Can you tell me, can we store ABCDEF in integer value, into value? Can we store ABCDEF in int? Give answer. Is that valid or invalid? Can we store or not? Yeah. So here I'm just giving wrong data. Wrong data. Programmer, it's your mistake. Okay, it's a code mistake here. I'm trying to run this application here. See here. Okay, I hope you understood the exceptions. Core Java you might have seen so many times here. See internally what it is doing. Look at selected line. Internally what it is doing. Look at the selected line. Okay, that is actually trying to do parsing. Integer dot parseInt. Internally it's trying to do parsing. Okay, that is actually called auto type conversion supported. Okay, here I just mentioned here, supports even type conversion. Actually by default taken as a string only. Internally integer dot parseInt, it's trying to do conversion here. That's a one. Okay, understand here. Now I'm just giving here, if we provide wrong data type data, then number format exception will occur like this. Example, if we give something like app dash id is equals to abcdef, like this. App id is a number type. Okay, it's a number type here. Now you wrote syntax also mistake. Now I'm just giving 110. Now running the application here, concentrate, output has come here. Now I'm just giving invalid syntax. Okay, I forgot a dollar or I forgot braces. Okay, see here, syntax, look at the syntax here. I'm just giving @ value, V capital. Okay, then parenthesis, then braces, then dollar. Okay, this double quotes, then braces. Like this we have to write. There you need to write the key. For example, I forgot to write braces. Brace is not there. Open brace is not there. Close brace is not there. Run this program. Okay, it says again same number format exception. Okay, you wrote braces, but you forgot dollar. Again same number format exception. Okay, something it will treat like that is only value. This value cannot be stored in int. It will only treat like a value here. Of course, this can be stored in string. String can store anything here, but I'm just showing here. Okay, if you don't follow proper syntax, okay, string will consider this only consider as a data. Given value only consider as a data, static data. Okay, int id is equals to app id. Like that, it is going to consider here. Okay, I'm just writing dollar again. Now run this program here. Value has come. Okay, let me remove dollar here. See, no error will come. No error will come. See the value TTL is equals to braces title. Okay, yes, string can store any kind of data like this actually here. Given value is considered as a direct value. It's not a key if you don't follow proper syntax. Okay, remember syntax is @value dollar open brace key close brace. If we do not follow syntax properly, then given one is considered as value, not as key. Try to assign same as value to variable, which may give number format exception. Okay, observe carefully here. I'm just giving here @value. Just I'm writing dollar, so no dollar brace title. I just gave like this. On top of I wrote string TTL. Okay, here TTL is equals to title. Consider as a static data here. Like this, it is going to be. If you write same thing @value, so here if you write something app dash id, you forgot dollar or you wrote only dollar. Okay, here you wrote something like int id. Here you will get number format exception. Okay, parsing integer dot parsing is called internally. Okay, this cannot be stored as an int type. Like this, it is going to be here. Okay, are you clear up to this one, everyone? Understood this point here? Yeah, we had to see some manual loading and all here. Okay, and today you will get a Gmail invitation for classroom. Okay, classroom invitation you may get. Okay, so here 69 students accepted already. Okay, notes also I just updated. Classroom link you will get invitation to your email account. Okay, already accepted. Yeah, I'm updating the notes. Okay, last few days notes I updated diagrams and everything, and I'll be updating there also. You just go to classroom, click on classwork. There I'll be updating. Okay, notes material every day here. Today's material just I'm updating here. Okay, I'll update here after a few seconds. I'll update with some title I'll provide. There you just click on classwork. Day wise notes will be there. Check it. Okay, if you did not get the link, means please contact to admin. Okay, if you already got, some people still it is pending. Okay. Abhay Singh, already you got invitation. Okay. So something here. How Ahmad SS, you got invitation. Some people still yet to accept. Okay. You have to accept some invitations here. Harish GMK. Okay. Like we have multiple. So many invitations are pending. Around 45 invitations are pending, sir. Okay. You need to accept. Go to your Gmail account and please search with Naresh IT. Okay. You will get it. Okay. Sagar. Tell me your mail ID, Sagar. Your mail ID, which you submitted for admin. If you did not get email means, okay, please contact admin. If you did not get email, I can't do anything even I can't accept. You should only accept. Okay. Naresh IT will send official email. I can just only upload and download the docs here. Okay. Madhusudan, okay, you got invitation and you are accepted even, I think. No, it's not accepted, it's a pending. Check everyone. No, I can't check one by one. I'm just showing here. Okay. Once you got invited here, click on accept, come to classwork. There you will see day-wise notes. Just click on this. You will see all. Okay. Click on this. Okay. Just look at the notes. Everything is available here. You can just zoom it even if you want. Okay. There you will get the notes. No, Gmail account only will get invitation. It's a Google Classroom. First go to your Gmail. Chinna, first go to your Gmail. There you will get an invitation link. If you did not get, contact admin. Okay, do payment and contact admin. They'll send an email. Okay. Okay. No, you can't access this. You need a permission to access, even if I share also here. Okay. Yeah, Srikanth. Contact Srikanth. Just have a WhatsApp message. Okay. Then they will send invitation to you. They'll add you here. Once you got added, go to your Gmail. See here. Here you will be having classroom. Type, click on this link here. You will see like something here. Already it's open, right? Okay. Classroom.google.com. Once you log into Gmail, accepted, type this one, classroom.google.com. Okay. Once you just go to classroom.google.com, there you will see some name. Okay. Spring Boot and microservices. Click on that. Click on classwork. You will see the notes. Go to classroom.google.com. After accepting invitation only, Spring Boot microservices. Click on classwork. You will see the notes there. Okay. There you can access. If you are unable to access means, please contact admin. They'll give permissions. Okay. I'll update the notes here. Please go through that one. Continuation we see in tomorrow's class. Thank you for session.